those openings when you do your first course of layout.
And you're typically going to have an extra dowel in these.
Right.
There'll be two dowels.
Go ahead and drill an extra dowel.
So the first course is basically just laying out everything, and then you just repeat.
Yeah, that's the thing. Once you get the first course laid out and all these jam cut block cut and in place, then your saw guy can stay ahead of the guys laying block. He can walk over and actually look at the wall and see what needs to be there and have it cut sitting there waiting on them when they lay the next block.
You're just repeating block up the wall.
To do a makeup block, if you have an odd spacing, which is going to happen,
Right.
So you've laid, you come up to your corner, and you're landing like that.
Okay.
What you want to do is cut a half block, take this full block out, put a half block here. Then your full block is too big to fit this gap, you cut it down to fit the gap, rather than try to piece a little piece in.
So you're saying cut this, have a smaller piece.
Cut it in half, and then you'll have just a little more than a half.
Right. Gotcha.
So your,
Instead of trying to do a little piece.
you'll have a 19
your wall is running like this, right?
Okay.
And you come up to that point, you're gonna go ahead and cut this block here.
Gotcha.
And then you'll modify another block to fit in that
And you'll
space.
take this half that you cut off and just set it up here on the next course. You didn't waste anything. To shorten a block now, you know, to fit it in here, whatever you need to shorten it, you want to cut it here and here.
Glue it back
Take that
together.
piece out and glue it back together.
Okay.
You can always shorten the distance between cores. You don't ever want to make it longer.
Can we just put some 1/2-inch plywood on each side and just fill it up solid with
You
concrete?
can if you want to.
Good, but you're gonna lose your insulation.
You're going to lose insulation on this point, so you'd have to cut some little
Oh, I get
soap in pieces.
Okay.
Also, you don't have, if it's, you're cutting the block off to here, rather than try to cut it out and shorten it, you can just cut it off square and take your saw and cut a little half core in it.
Okay.
Either way
I find
works.
that's easier.